That is flushing brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah. I got
Allan at Viva here, and I just want to do a quick video just to show you why we think our dual flush valve is the best on the market. All Skylo flush valves are universal, which means they fit both 1.5" and 2" outlets. In the bag, you get 2 plastic cradles. You get 1.5" cradle. To remove, you twist the base and get your 2". To put your 2" in, you just press until both lugs click and away you go. One of the benefits of having 2 separate cradles is that you're not using a converter washer adapter. Problem with these is if you get an 1.5" cradle, slide a 2" converter washer over the top, and you have a 2" flush pipe, that isn't going to go into the 1.5", whereas it will go into a 2" cradle. It's got fully adjustable flushing volumes, so you've got your full flush on one side, half flush on the other. The lower each slider, the more volume of water gets flushed. With our adjustable overflow, we've got you covered. To adjust the overflow, you simply twist the top anti-clockwise, and you can set that to whatever height you need, lock it in place by turning clockwise. You don't need a hacksaw with this siphon. All Skylo flush valves come with a universal button, which means it'll fit 40mm, 50mm and 60mm hole sizes. To change to a larger cistern hole size than 40mm, you need to get the button and slide it into the adapter supplied before then installing it into the cistern lid. And if you choose our Sky 30 flush valve, you will also receive an additional lever, which means this complete flush valve kit can repair any cistern on the market. And that is why this is flushing brilliant. If you've liked this video, you can subscribe right here. And if you'd like to see a full animated installation video for this product, you can click right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.